Yoo-hoo! Happy Friday! Super excited. I got off work early. It's our Vietnamese Chinese Lunar New Year this weekend, so I went and grabbed some stuff. I went to the Oriental Market. Let's see. Well, there's like a $10 minimum, so I really only needed Lisi red envelopes. So anyways, I got some really cute ones. I thought they were so perfect because we're in Disney World, so this one's so cute. Then of course the traditional and another Minnie and Mickey Mouse, just so cute. And then I got some other things like for my parents since we're visiting them at their house on Sunday. So there's that. Otherwise, yeah. Alright, just got out from the bank. Special twos for Lisi this year. That's actually what Henry and I do every year. Well, last year was our first year doing that. So yeah, we got our $2. The bank knows that it's New Year's, so they actually ordered, these are like seriously like brand new fresh dollar bills. Like they're kind of hard to separate them. So those are all set. So I'm actually getting ready to go back home so that I can do, I have a Skype meeting with my Pure Bar peeps. So, so yeah, so I'm gonna head home now and get that all going, so.
Yeah.
Happy New Year! Just got our food. Cousins, everybody going. She hungry? She hungry?
That's right. Yeah.
Ooh, so hungry.
Really high.
I'm about to eat. Ooh, they brought the goods.
Did you ever like physics then?
Oh, yeah.
Here's the food you wanted.
Thanks.
What is that?
It's like a,
Fried.
With,
it's like a fried tofu. But I think there's meat in there, right?
Like a fish cake.
Yummos. Oh, hi. Hi.
What about your human back?
Happy New Year time. Look at all these guys lining up.
We just got done. Got that money. We did the
Oh, sorry.
So now this year, Nye and Henry
Are giving out money,
They're
and
giving
then
out-
everyone's gonna give them blessings. So it's gonna be good. Bye.
Yeah, we're back.
Oh my.
Right. We are on the way to dim sum with Henry's cousins. We're going to Mandarin Kitchen right now. It's like 9:30. 9:29. We're supposed to meet at 9:30, so we are making it on time because Mandarin opens at 9:30. Oh my god, you guys, look at this line. They open at 9:30. I know. Holy crap, look at this line. It's so long. Right down there. Down there. Holy crap. That's a lot.
Why didn't you just give us
For Joe. No, Joe.
Hi.
Who's everyone?
Yeah, I know.
Hi.
Like, spaced out or something? I don't know.
Yeah.
Happy New Year's, Peter?
Who's here first? Between you two.
What? We were here first. I was here first. He dropped me off. He dropped me off. I was in line first.
Say hello. Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Say chúc mừng năm mới. And how do you say in Chinese?
恭喜發財。No? 新年快樂。
I can't say it now. Say it.
I'll just say it afterwards. It's like it's a series.
Let's see
Please, Claire. Look at her nose.
Are the batteries dead still?
No, the battery's good now.
Can I see?
Yeah, you can see Claire. Look. You see Claire?
Apple. Done.
Oh, good.
Okay. And what else do you wish them? Happiness? You wish them happiness? Okay, you say that. I wish you happiness.
I don't know how to see that.
Happy New Year. All the goodies. Hungry.
Hannah.
Wow.
Oh, you need to go.
Wow.